Good morning, good morning, good morning. How is everybody doing today? Beautiful Friday. I'm actually getting to the point where I can't wait for Fridays. I don't know. I think I'm getting old on you guys here because I don't know. Starting to like Fridays. Because that means the weekend is here and I don't gotta wake up early in the morning every day and sit here. But it's all for the good of the community. You know what I mean? So, gotta wear a hoodie today because getting my hair done later on today. So, can't be on here looking crazy. So, I have to wash my hair a little later and then I'll get ready for that. So that's the reason for the hoodie this morning. I know I look crazy when I have this thing on, but what do you want me to do? You know? I don't know. Let's see. So good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's jump right into it. So I don't remember us having news today. No, we don't. Today is gonna be clear day. Clear day, sunny skies. No rain, no thunderstorm, no lightning. We should be good. We should be in the clear today. So looking at US30. Oh, thank you for reminding me about that. Let's get these guys in here. Join in on the fun. Oh, crazy. Oh, here we go. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Do 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 do. Stop.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Miss Charlene. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you guys today?
Doing great. Another beautiful morning. Let's get it.
Let's get it. Love it. Love it. Love the energy. Love it. Love it. Love it. All right. So no news today. So last night, this is what I was looking for last night. I did catch this move last night. This move right here. I got in around this area here. This candle dropped and jumped in when I saw this candle breaking this entry area here. And I think I caught like 20 or 30 points, 25 or 30 points. Yeah, like 20 to 22 points. I anticipated price to continue down, but it did not do that. It actually retraced and continued bullish. Really? It's too early for this. It's too early. Too early. So yeah, thought it was going to continue down, but we broke this high. We're continuing bullish here. This is an excellent area for price to actually continue up. This is actually where price was this morning, around 7 this morning when I woke up. Price was an excellent area to look for the buy continuations right around this area here. We've created an area of support here. So this would be the trade idea here. Something like this. So US30, this weekly candle on US30 is upsetting to me because it's very indecisive. That's what I was analyzing last night, was that candle on the weekly time frame, because I just can't understand what it's doing, you know. We tap these highs for 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks, so almost a month. We tap these highs, we were unable to break them. This candle was like this, literally. It was sitting here last night. And I'm like, all right, I need us to retrace, I need us to reject, to maintain this area, to come down, to create another lower high. Or should I say, lower high. So it's pushing up, breaking these highs here. No major area of support here. We're just pumping away to push up here. It's not really giving much in the way of any kind of significant pullback. I don't know if that's gonna happen next week. I don't know if it's gonna happen today, if it's gonna do some crazy moves today. No idea. But it is, weird that it's doing that. I mean, not entirely weird, but it's like, damn, 1 week, no pullback. Second week, weak volume and no pullback. Third week, insane volume and again, no pullback. So we've broken these highs here. We could reject and leave a wick and come back, but we do have this area of supply up here that I'm pretty sure we're going to absolutely tap into because we're so close to it already. All right. But what it does here is going to be, important. Now, the smart move here would be to wait for the, I lost my train of thought.
9:30.
No, not 9:30. The smart move would be to follow the trend. Okay, sorry guys, I lost my train of thought. The smart move would be to follow the trend and look for the bullish continuation, but the problem with that is we need a valid area of support to do that, to confirm the buys. I don't like taking buys when I don't see a strong area of support formed, because it doesn't give me much confidence to hold the move, to tell me that price is...
Well, can you check?
Guys, mute, please. Don't come in with noise, please, in the background. If you come in, automatically mute, please. Matter of fact, set up your Zoom when you start up to automatically mute, so you have to physically go in and unmute yourself in the beginning. Otherwise, I'm going to just start muting people as soon as I start it up. Okay? Too much noise in the background and it distracts the session with the analysis. All right, guys, please. Mute as you come into the group. set it up to where upon entry people are muted, or I'm just gonna make it so I have to unmute you guys, because this happens too much, and I'm gonna have to take control here because people are coming in with noise and it's throwing me off. All right, so I'm gonna change those settings in a second here, so people are coming here are muted. Let's see here. Oh, it's already set up that way. Mute participants upon entry. So it's already set up like that. So if you're unmuting yourself, that must mean that it's a quiet environment. So those of you that are unmuting and there's noise in your background, please don't do that. Microphones these days are super sensitive. They hear everything. Play sound, enable, hide, allow, okay? Okay. All right, guys, please, please, please. Where was I? Shit.
We're looking for a bullish trend.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so we're looking for bullish moves, but I need a valid support to be formed to give me confidence to hold that move. Okay, so let's look at last night's move to see, like, this pushed up at 5 o'clock in the morning, which is crazy. This pushed up for, damn, that's crazy, 600 points. Fuck. Excuse my language, guys. What the heck was US30 doing last night? See, it's stuff like this that messes up my whole confidence in taking retracements. Because before this happened here, this is what the market was looking like. Okay? There's not too much here in the way of buys except for here. For price to come back to this area here. This is the major area that it hit. We retested these highs twice. Dropped, created that. That's what I was looking for last night. Plain and simple. This setup right here. For price to come down and tap that low. Okay? And price has broken structure and did that. So that forces me to try to understand here what the heck is US30 doing. It made a major retracement to back up to inside these highs here. If you guys notice, for a while we could not break these highs here, and the market, they could not tap into this area, and we broke through that completely, and now we're showing signs of rejection at those highs. And I'm wondering if we're gonna hold these highs or if we're gonna come back and tap into these highs here. Now, what happens here is gonna be important, because right now the trend is currently bullish. This garbage ass setup here is the same characteristics as what it's doing here. So no major pullback, okay? Push, weak pullback, and then another push. And we'll see what happens here. So prices has an area of support here. We have a high being formed here. If we break these highs here, I'm probably gonna look to take the continuation on up to these highs. But if we don't break these highs, then I am absolutely gonna look for the counter trend trade and see if we can get some sort of pullback here so that we can grab a move and be done with our Friday. So that's the plan for today. The plan is to see what the market does at this 4-hour high, because where this candle is pumping away here, We had this candle here before, which was on the 15th of November, which was what, 2 days ago? That tapped into this high and rejected and started playing footsie wootsy down here. And now it's pumping up again. I'm not understanding this push here, this news push that we had has yet to correct itself. That's crazy to me. I'm thinking, okay, we're gonna get something here. We made a high, we keep rejecting, and then we get this bullish move here. And then we have this low, this weak ass low that formed here, and now it's trying to push up. So this is that same ugly structure here that we had right here. And except for down here, we had this big retracement here, tap back into this demand here, and then take off from there. Okay, so here, shit, in order for it to do that, it would need to correct this move and come down here. But I don't know if that's gonna happen. I don't know. I just know this structure is ugly. It's very ugly. There's no like clear, you know, it looks like that. It looks like that. So I don't like that. This move that was yesterday, it looks like it wanted to start the move to the downside, but it didn't do that. So US30, I don't know. US30 is on something today. I don't know. I think it's on this period or something. I think it's on this period. I have no idea. This daily candle is pushing up here. This daily candle went down. Look at this long wick. This candle yesterday was garbage. This candle tapped this. That was the one I was looking at to determine what this one was gonna do. And it's guys, not a red candle in sight here. Not a red candle in sight. No pullback, no nothing. When you are a trader that your trading style is completely dependent on pullbacks as a major confirmation, aka retest, setups like this are of no joy to you at all. If you're one that takes risky setups, you love it because you're winning, because mostly buyers are in control. But if you're a calculated trader that waits on several confirmations, this is horrible for you. It's horrible. So we are smack in the middle of November. Just a waiting game, guys. Just a waiting game. I would like to see us come down. I would like to catch a retracement. I don't like buys. I don't like buys. I don't like buys. Even though the market is bullish, I don't like buys. I don't like buys. Especially where price is now. It's at a high. Stop loss would be massive. I'm not in the mood for buys at this point. We broke yesterday's daily high. We're pumping up here, tapping the previous daily high, coming into this major zone here. Would I love to see us reject and freaking melt? Yeah, I would. I actually don't even want us to continue bullish. I don't. Because we have this just gigantic move here. This is what, 3,000 points? From this low to this high? Excuse me, 2,677 freaking points without a major pullback. Even this drop here, guys, we got somewhat of a pullback here on this drop here. From this high to this low. If we measure that, boom, boom, 2,000 points. This is roughly about a 50% retracement. That's not bad. If I bust fib out here, boom, boom, we're sitting right in between 61 and 50. That is a decent size retracement for this size move. This move is, what was it? 2,248. This move here, 2,700 points, and nothing, no major pullback. Literally 100% retracement from this move, this high to that low, 100% retracement, which is indicative of a buy continuation at this point. it says, yo, we're not stopping here. There's no reversal zone here. Bye-bye. So I would not be surprised if US30 continued pumping up here. But that's not my setup. That's not the type of setups that I take. So if I don't get my confirmations today, guess what? It's gonna be a no trade day. I don't give a shit. I am not taking buys on US30 at a high. I'm not doing that. Especially when I know that US30 likes to pull back. Well, what time frame did I draw that goddamn zone on? Why is that shit so big? Shit. Shit is big as fuck. Put a line there instead. This would have been an excellent entry if I was on the charts on time, but I wasn't, so. As long as price stays above this area, we can continue looking for the buys. 725, they started pushing up here, pushing up, pull back. I actually saw when they started pushing up here. I wanted to take a buy, but I wanted to do a full analysis first. So that's US30. We're gonna let US30 do its thing right now, and if you're in buys, good stuff. If you're waiting, all right, cool, good stuff as well. Hold on 1 second, guys. Saw the same move when I woke up, but I wanted to do an analysis, so I missed the entry. Same here. Same here. And I don't feel any kind of way about it either, because if you take a trade and you just see one or two confirmations and you just, oh snap, let me take a trade here, and without doing a full analysis, 7 out of 10 times on that trade, you're gonna get smacked. You're gonna get smacked. If you think you see something, you think, okay, this is what's going on. When you really analyze, you get a bigger idea of what's really happening, and then it helps you make a more informed decision. So be careful with that, guys. Be careful with that. Let's look at gold. Let's look at gold. go to the weekly real quick. Let's see. The reason why I look at the weekly, guys, is because it's the end of the week. And I'm trying to get an idea of how I think that weekly candle is going to close. That's why you see me looking at the weekly candle. 500 viewers, 130 likes. Okay, so that's why you see me looking at the weekly. This should have gone down a little more. I don't know why it stopped here and just pulled back from there. I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't know. Gold might do the exact same thing US30 did. It may not pull back at all. It may just continue pumping away and breaking these highs here. I would not be surprised if gold did that. I would not be surprised. I think gold is going to continue up here. I think gold is going to break this high and just fly. I don't see gold retracing too much at all today. I think gold is going to continue up here, especially if we break these highs. Hello, Charlene. What do you think about a sell at 35180? $35180. I'm not a swing trader, so I don't know about price from up there. 35180. What on earth gives you that analysis? What are you looking at? Is it because this is this big ass supply here? You're just looking for price to come inside this area and sell off? What are your other confirmations though? What else are you looking for to look for a sell from that area? Gotta give me more here. Not much in the way of a question there. You can't just say, what do you think about a sell from this random price area? You gotta tell me why you're looking for a sell from there. The only thing I see there is a supply on the higher time frame, which we don't know if price is gonna react from there, or when or how it's gonna react from there. So gold will go up. It's having the same pullback as the previous one before. If the next 15-minute candle I'm looking for a signal there. Any confirmation? I don't know. I am tempted to take this sell here, honestly. I'm tempted to take a sell on the retracement because I feel like we're gonna come back down here. Last day today, so last day to sign up for my in-person class. Last day to sign up for my 3-day in-person class. If you sent an email or your payment to register, I will respond to you after my live is over. So I see we have a few people here. Not read this email address. Okay. One, two, three. Okay. Oh. Yeah, we're gonna tap that high. I don't think we're gonna get a pullback until we tap that high. We are another 30 points. After 60, that's gonna give us 100 points. Oof. That's gonna give us another 100-point move from this area here, but let's see. Let me send this text across. Oh. Gold is selling. We will see. You would have gotten crushed. Does anyone have any suggestions for learning how to use MT4? I've tried scoring on YouTube. I can't find any videos about it. Too many options on the 30-minute. There's no DMs read this morning. Nope. Nope. Nobody. Nope. $8.30 about to hit. Let me see what the hour candle is looking like. It's pumping up here. I don't know. I don't see this candle rejecting it, Chloe. This candle might push up a little more before it does. If it comes down, it might. But I don't know. I don't see it really rejecting. And it opened with no wick at the bottom either. Oof. No wick at the bottom. No wick. Come on, gold. Do what US30 refuses to do. Pull back. My bad, guys. Almost off this call here. So sorry. There's family stuff going on, so just bear with me. So gold pulled back nicely. Those of you that caught the gold sells, good stuff. We'll see what it does down here, if it rejects and comes back up, or if we continue bearish. The high time frames on gold, we are bullish. I would not hold sells past here because structure is doing that. So at this point, I would be looking for the buys from this area here. Once this this 1 hour candle is closed, can give us a couple more confirmations there. At this point, I'd be looking for the continuation because you have higher lows being formed here. So the pullback, let's see what pullback is complete, and if it is, you should continue bullish to create a higher high. But we could get a drop, we could come down even more because price is still bullish above this area here. So it's all waiting to see. On US30 here, I caught a little bit of this retracement here. I got out because we have this area of resistance turn support right around here. So I took profit here. I don't know if price is going to come back and tap here. I think it will eventually. Maybe around 9:30 when we get that whiplash, we might get a nice drop, pull back here before price continues up. Overall, we're bullish. So because the market is bullish, you can't really hold the sells. So that's what that is. So I jumped in for some of these sells here, jumped in. I was in a bit of drawdown for a little bit, and then eventually it started pumping down, and then I took profit. And now we're starting to push up. But this could just be a little retracement to continue bearish. So we'll see what price does in this area here. But for the most part, right now you can't really hold sells, similar to gold. Gold is heavily bullish, so it's not smart to hold sells in a bullish market. Same thing with US30. US30 is bullish, has been bullish for a while. It's not smart to hold sells, so that's why I took profit where I did right around here. So I think I am done for the week. I don't believe I'm going to be looking for any more setups. I'm not going to be on here long. I'm probably going to wrap up the live around 9, a little bit after 9:30. We'll wait for 9:30, 35ish to see what happens, because I do have a hair appointment I have to be at 11, so I have to take off. But it's Friday, guys. It's Friday. Excellent week we've been having so far. So let's keep it up. Let's keep it going and see what the market has for us today. We still have a solid 45 minutes to about an hour left. So let's see. I'm going to be processing the emails for the private live, for the 3-day in-person class for December. So after the live, I'll also be taking care of those emails also. So make sure you get your application in so that you can get into that class. All right. So for now, we're just going to sit here and watch, see if US30 comes down some more, and we'll go from there. You back, girl?
Yeah.
Okay guys, this was a crazy drop on US30. Definitely was not expecting this massive drop here. US30 was looking bullish. It was looking like it wanted to pump up. This candle was heavily, nice, strong, bullish candle that was taking out these highs. But of course, it's the end of the week, and of course, we're rejecting this area again and coming down. Should have held a little bit longer, but whatever. A win is a win. It really doesn't matter. We caught it at the top of the move anyway, so it really doesn't matter. I think I got out like around here somewhere, and look at how far this thing is probably going to come down to at least this low here. Crazy move today on US30 here. A crazy drop, even with the 930 pullback. It didn't give much of a push. It just whipped up once and then just melted after that. This is definitely going to come down to these lows here. Definitely wasn't expecting that at all. US30 has been, today was wild, because this drop that's happening here, that's what I anticipated for last night. That's why I was looking for the sell-off position here for shorts last night, for the market to come down to these lows. Look at how much further up the market pushed before it finally started coming down. You know, so this move, I'm not surprised to see it, because US30 does, this is what US30 does. You know, it's not the first time I've seen this happen. Would have been nice to catch this entire move, but the day that happens is it's going to be a cold day in hell for me, because, you know, these moves are hard to catch. You know, someone said, would have been nice to catch the drop. I need to learn to hold my trades longer. You can, but at the end of the day, you're not, it's the lucky ones that catch these moves all the time. You're not going to catch these moves all the time. You're going to have to deal with this garbage, with this, and then you never know when this is going to happen. This happens out of nowhere, but in the meantime, we got to deal with all of this BS in the meantime. You know, it takes a whole lot of patience to sit through this garbage and then be able to catch something like that. You know, so that's why I don't really beat myself up about it, because, you know, what are you going to do? We're only human. We can do the best we can. Your goal every day should just be to get the win, and that's it. So I'm gonna take off here, guys. I'm very sorry. This phone call is taking up a little bit more time than expected, but it's an important phone call, and I can't cut it short. So I'm going to end the live here to finish this call and then go get my hair done. But other than that, guys, we had a really good week. We had a very good week. I really hope that you guys were able to capitalize on this week. Request a withdrawal if you had a good week. Payouts, you know, if you're funded, whatever the case. Make sure you get paid for your hard work. Okay. Other than that, this was a good trading day. It's only 9:43. It's plenty of time left in New York session to grab a move here. US30 is looking like it's probably going to ping pong inside this area for a while. So if you didn't catch any of the buys or any of the sells, just be patient. Let price come to you. Let price come to your major areas. Then look for your... The fuck? Sorry guys, somebody just slammed the hell out of their door and it shook the entire building. That's crazy. Damn. Just wait for price to come to your area and then execute at that point. All right, it's Friday. Don't overtrade. Don't go crazy, and you'll be fine. All right. As for gold looks like, I thought gold was gonna stop here, but it's still valid. The buys are still valid above this area. If we break below this area, guys, we're probably most likely selling off. But if we maintain this area of support here, you can expect gold to continue back bullish. So just be cognizant of that for those of you that trade gold. Those of you that were asking in the chat, how did I know that US gold was going to come down? It's just retracement. That's all it is. The market can't go in one direction forever. It has to just come down. Okay. Someone said you own HANKOTRADE. Very funny. I wish I did. This is how US30 moves. This is a close 90%. Leave a runner. Yeah. I think US30 is bearish until the daily low. We'll see what US30 has for us today. I won't be on the charts. I'm actually taking off for the day. I'm done shutting down my computer after this. If you apply for the in-person class, I will respond to all the emails shortly here. If you sent your payment, I will send you your confirmations. And then just be on the lookout for more of that. If you're interested in my course, all that information is in the description box of all of these videos that I do. All right, guys. So today was a good day. Happy Friday. And don't forget to withdraw. All right, guys. As always, it's your favorite female trader, Charlene FX, and I will see you guys next week. Just a reminder, next week we will only have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday streaming, and then Thursday is Thanksgiving, and then Friday no live stream Friday either. All right, guys. So I will see you guys next week. Y'all be good, and as always, it's your favorite female trader, Charlene FX, and I'm out.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm here. What's up, girl?